Hey beauties, it's Shaq here, and today I want to talk to you about our makeup portfolios. I hope I piqued your interest, so let's talk about the first one, the Full-Glam Portfolio. In this portfolio, you're going to have a liquid lipstick, a brush, foundation, gel eyeliner, and eyebrow gel. We have our brush cleaner, which I use constantly. I have a gallon. We have our makeup fixer, and a luxury highlighting powder. On this side of the portfolio, we have highlighters, blushes, and eyeshadows. This amazing portfolio is valued over $400. We usually sell it for $180, but it's on sale today for $149. You guys have to check it out. Not only that, there are some exclusive items just to this kit alone, but you'll learn about that once I start doing this makeup look. This is our bright light kit, and it's adorable, first of all. We also have some products that are exclusive to this kit, and this kit is worth over $200. We sell it for $120, and right now it's on sale for $99. What a steal. This is the Desert Night kit, which I think is my favorite because of the colors in it, and it also has some hidden gems that are only exclusive to this kit. Now this kit also is valued over $200. We sell it for $120, and it's on sale today for $99. So if you want to see how I got this look using these three portfolios, then stay tuned and watch. So I'm going to start my makeup look using the Full-Glam palette. So I'm going to start with this palette because it has all the face products that I need. It has foundation, powder, and setting spray. So let's get into this glam. I'm going to start with our Absolute Foundation in the color 4.5. Now this is a little bit darker than me, so bear with me. Next, we're going to use our translucent highlighting luxury powder, and this is a great loose powder and it's great for setting your makeup. A little tip, I like to put powder on the top, and I like to put my brush and swirl it and then take out the excess. So now there's product inside the brush and there won't be a big splash of powder everywhere. And it smells like bananas. Now I'm going to apply my favorite, which is our makeup fixer, and this will help the makeup melt better into the skin and last longer. So exclusive to this box only, we have a new highlighter wheel, and it's called Mirage, and it has Sahara Dawn, Soho, and Rodeo Drive. The kit also comes with our favorite highlighting brush, number 7, and what I like to do is swirl all 3 highlighters because we like to live large. What is great about all 3 kits is, as you saw, I took out that one highlighter, and you can do that with all the shadows and highlighters in the kits, and you can put them into a smaller magnetic palette and take them on the go. Another thing that's exclusive to this kit is the long-lasting liquid lipstick Canyon. This is the only place where you can find this liquid lipstick, and I'm going to wear it at the end of this video. So now we're going to talk about 2 of the smaller kits, and these are great for everyone to have. They are so small and compact, but yet carry everything securely wherever you go. So this right here is Bright Light, and this one's called Desert Night. In Desert Night, you can see that we have some of our signature eyeshadows, highlighters, and blushes, but we have one brand new blush right here, and it's called Dahlia, and it's like a terracotta with a little bit of sheen, and it's perfect on the cheek. And this one's called the Bright Light Kit, and then again, it also has signature eyeshadows, blushes, highlighters, but we have an exclusive right here called Golden Hour, and this is Rodeo Drive with a bronzer, a must-have for everyone. I'm going to do a natural eyeshadow glam, so I'm going to dip into both of the eyeshadow palettes and show you what I get. So I'm using for my brow bone the color Champagne from the Bright Lights Kit, and we're going to put that right under the brow and about halfway down the eye. This is going to help to brighten any eye, open it up, and you're going to look wide awake. Next, we're going to go into this color, Raisin. This is a great shade for the crease area because it's going to give you dimension right in the middle of your eye. And you can also use it as a blush. We're going to go into this color right here called Gold Rush in the Bright Light Kit. And we're going to apply that on the back of the lid right here, about halfway down to the back. And then we're going to take the other brush that we used with the color Raisin, and we're going to blend those two so there's no harsh line. And now in the Desert Night Kit, we're going to use this color right here called Millennium Gold. And we're going to apply that on the front part of the lid. Now from the Bright Light Kit, we're going to use the color Brown. Now we're taking this color and we're going to apply a small amount to the end of the eye here. And then we're going to blend it right into the crease. And that's going to deepen the end and make your eye look longer. I'm going to take the same color Brown and an angle brush, and I'm going to follow that color on the bottom of my eye right under the waterline. So going back into the Bright Light Kit, we're going to take this color called Golden Hour, and we're going to dip our brush only in the bronzer side, and we're going to bronze right under the cheekbones and blend it. And we're going to go into the Desert Night Kit, and we're going to use the color Dahlia for our blush. I like to use my blush to blend all the shades in together, so I apply it right in the middle and then blend it in, and then the highlight, the bronzer, and the blush are all together. I'm back at the Full-Glam Portfolio because this portfolio also comes with eyebrow gels and gel eyeliner. And these are actually some of my favorite products. I'm gonna go in with the eyebrow gel in light brown and do my eyebrows. So I like to do my brows. I start at the bottom and then I'll start blending upwards. So without dipping back into the pot, I'm just going to start blending this upwards, and that's going to give you a direction as to where you need to go and also an outline for your eyebrow. So now that I don't have any extra color, I'm just blending that excess line, and that way it gives you a nice smooth eyebrow. I'm going to repeat the process on the top of the brow, and we're also going to do that line one more time. And then once you do the line, we're going to start blending the color downwards now. So now the good thing about our number 18 brush is that it comes with a brush and then it comes with a spoolie at the end. And that's going to allow you to go in and blend out any harsh lines that you may have. Now, the good thing about this product is that it's waterproof and it will stay on your brows for a very long time. Next, I'm going to take my OFRA brush number 4, and we're going to take the fixed liner in black, and we're going to do a wing eyeliner. So the way that I apply my eyeshadow, I already have an angle right here. I like to use that angle as a guideline. So I do my first line, and then I go right back to the tip of it, and then go in an angle towards the inside of the eye, and then I fill it in. Now that I have the middle down, I'm going to go right into the inner corner of my eye and meet up with that. And there you go. Lastly, we're going to go into the color Canyon like I promised and do my lips. Our lipstick smells so good. What do you guys think? I think it's actually one of my new favorites. That's it, beauties. This is the final look I created using the 3 kits that you need to run and go get for yourself because they are totally worth it. The value alone with the products and how much it actually costs is just ridiculous. You need to go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. I want to know which one of these kits you love the best and which one you're buying. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see our new video once they drop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.